Hey guys, Time for Tech here. Today I'm here with a video on printing in Python. So this is obviously a beginner video. I'm gonna do more advanced videos in the future. As you can see, all the files I have on the left, these are quite a lot and more are to come. So if you haven't got PyCharm installed, you can go back to my previous video where there's a link in the description where you can go and download it completely free for the free version. Yeah, just go and install that and watch my video on how to create a project and a file like I've done here, and you're good to go. So the first thing I've got is a comment. A comment is literally a comment. It doesn't affect the code and it just acts as a bearing and a way to monitor what your code actually does, because in big projects you'll forget your code. Even though you're the one writing it and you're the one who knows what it does, you'll forget what some part does. For example, a function, which I'll get to as well, you might forget what that does. So we'll get to the variables first. A variable can store quite a few things. In this case, it stores a string. And a string is just a list of characters. So a sentence, a phrase, a quote, something like that. In this case, it's hi. A variable does not have to be called var. It can be called anything. It can be called, well, whatever. Aircraft, chicken, I don't know, whatever you want to name it. var1 also equals what's up. You don't use two equals in this instance. Sometimes you'll need to, but right now there's no need to use two equals because it wouldn't work anyway. For the sake of simplicity, that's why I'm naming it var and var1. So in the printing instance, print hello world. That's just going to print out hello world. As you can see, it's got the brackets, it's got the quotes. That's all. I've asked before why you need double quotes, and this is the reason. I changed it to single quotes, it works fine. But let's say you want to say hello John's world. You've messed up the whole program and it shows an error. Create class world, blah blah blah, all these which have nothing to do with it. So in this instance, it's just safer and more sensible in my opinion just to use full quotes. And there you can add that and quote with single quotes inside the actual string. So this prints hello world. Again here, print hello world. This has no brackets but still prints fine. Again, it's just good practice to use brackets because that's how majority of Python programmers print. Even in other languages where they might not be necessary, they print it with the necessary features. Here, concatenating strings. Print hello plus world prints hello world. It's important to add a space here because it doesn't automatically add a space, so it would just look like hello world and it wouldn't look like proper English. And again, quotes, no brackets. You know, I haven't even tried it with brackets yet. I'm sure that would work. Yes, it works. You can tell because it doesn't show up an error. Always shows up an error. So you could even have one brackets, one without, one or both with brackets, and vice versa. So here you've got print var plus what's up. So var, as we already said, equals hi. And here you're printing var plus what's up. So it's gonna say hi, and again you have the space to separate it. What's up? Print var plus var1. Again, it'll print the same thing as this one. Here you've got the variable equals hi, and you've got var1 which equals what's up. Var plus var1 equals hi what's up. So let's run this. If you haven't run a program before, you go up to the run, click run, and the name of your file, since I've got a lot, it shows a lot here, you go to Python print. And it runs. I already had mine running, but it's okay. The first one, print hello world. Variables don't print. Nothing prints unless you say print. So that's just a little bit of a tip for you. So in case you're wondering, nothing prints unless you say print. So yeah, print. The first one prints hello world. The second one prints hello world. The third one prints hello world, like we have been showing. And then in the fourth one, where we have the variable plus what's up, it says hi what's up. So you can add variables by themselves. And here, hi, what's up, var plus var1. Now, I'm just going to show you because it can be quite annoying if you forget a colon or quote or comma or something like that whenever you're doing programming. In this case, I'm going to show you what happens if you leave out a bracket. You remove the bracket. Since you've already run a program, you can just click the run in the top right corner. This one debugs it, but debugging never does anything for me. So you will run it, and here it says file blah 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 blah, line 7. Line 7 is here. Print hello world, error invalid syntax. Why does it say on line 7? It probably says on line 7 because once you've missed a bracket, it treats it as if it hasn't been closed all the way fully. So let's say you had this all in one line. It's like that, and then goes like this, and then here's the closing bracket, and then you'd need another bracket here. So it just messes the whole thing up. Generally, if you've had experience like I have, you can tell what you actually need to do to fix it. I know what I need to do. Obviously, I just created that error. Some errors are harder to tell than others, but in this case, it's kind of a simple error to find out. So figure out how to fix your own errors by yourself, and also try and concatenate strings further and find out other ways to make strings different. I'll give a little bonus challenge at the end of videos just to try and challenge yourself. So if you like that video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want, send me some examples of your code to my Twitter.